Today, we're upgrading our chicken's watering station with the help of our DIY automatic feeder cups. This pack from Lil Cluckers comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the kit, you have installation tips, washers and wing nuts, and then your 5 little Cluckin' watering bowls. The bowls are made from a BPA-free, food-grade material and are plenty big, so your chickens will have no problem getting a drink. Then as they drink, it automatically refills. All you need to get started is a food-safe bucket, a power drill, and a 3/8" drill bit. Grab your watering bowl and line it up near the bottom. Then drill out the hole. Slide your washer onto your watering cup. Then thread the watering cup through the drilled hole. Next, grab your wing nut and tighten that down from the inside to lock it in place. Then, repeat these steps for the rest of your watering bowls. After you get them all locked down and where you want them, it's time to fill your bucket with water. Fill her on up and you'll see the watering bowls slowly start to fill on their own. Then once they're full, it stops filling. So fill up the bucket and put on the lid. Then find a raised spot to keep your bucket. And like that, your chickens are ready to test their new watering hole. Since it refills as they drink, the water is always fresh and there for them. Before this, we had a little waterer for them that they used since they were chicks. We had to refill it every day and make sure that they weren't kicking wood chips and hay into it. With this, it's much less wasteful and it can hold so much water that we only have to refill it once a week now. And our chickens just love it. They're bigger chickens now, and they need a bigger watering station. Now they have all the room to drink, and when they do, it's so cute. They get a mouthful and tilt their head up, gobbling it down. Then they make happy noises. And that makes me happy, knowing that our chickens are happy. And it's even more rewarding when they use something that you made for them yourself. So if you're looking for an affordable watering station that you can make yourself as well, this pack of Lil Clucking watering bowls might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go hang out with my chicks some more. See ya.